What the hell do you have to lose?
Reporting live from the other side of America.
Mama let me sip the 40, I was just a shorty. Then I started spitting garlic, and they said record me. I feel like this shit was for me, this shit just my story. Yeah, jump out the porch, I got a Porsche, no take it back. I'm on the block with the killers and holding my own, of course, yeah. I see my mom and dad separate, ain't talking divorce. Said daddy was living by the fire, and he died by the torch. I'm where the AKs is, we like the baby kids. Ain't ever daddy, I listen to suckers the same way that Ray did. I'm telling Snippets and HKs, and I just was a grade A kid. Ain't on no guy, and we grew up with hitters and did everything they said. Point out the block, we spinning that. Running the spot, we getting that. Give us some work, we flipping that. I'm hitting from jail, ain't hitting back. I need a lawyer, money for commissary, ain't nobody ain't sending that. I'm in my cell, like when I get out, I'm making a movie, no Cinemax. Woo, yeah. Back home and I'm fresh on bell. Phone chirping, it was next to tell. Block popping, it was extra cell. Big dog, they ain't showing remorse. I was begging just to catch a cell. Same block, we was going to war. I was praying I ain't catch a shell. Hey, we ain't starting for 1,000 nights. Living like we trying to die tonight. Got 40 cent like dynamite. I was fucking up my car money. Selling soap like it's China white. OG said you fucking a block up. I was mad, I was trying to fight. Nigga, we hope. Mommy at work. Nigga, we home. Mommy at work, daddy he dead. Nigga, we home. Stomach growling like an AMG, going to bed, we home. Uzi on me, all my friends are dead. Nigga, we home. Reporting live from the other side of America. Reporting live from the other side. Same corner where my brothers died. Living like we ain't got care. Told my mama I ain't dying here. 40 on me, I ain't buying beer. Ain't have a wheel, now I'm flying Lear. Bunch of fellas on the jet with me. Make a movie like it's Con Air. Started off in the basement, now it's rooftops in LeBron there. Still fighting over cases, I don't bail, nigga, but it's my year. Summertime, make it cold out. Heater on me like a mind clear. Closet bigger than my old house. Thinking about it, I was fine there. Came in the dirt. Dedicated, I was making it work. Medicated, I was taking them perks. Devastated when my niggas got murked. Educated, had to get to it first. I knew trapping it'd get me in jail. Playing with pistols, it'd give me a hearse. But I ain't give a fuck. Send me to church. Woo, yeah. They gotta catch me in traffic. I ain't with none of this ratchet. I been trying to run from these caskets. All of this pain, but then me, nigga, you don't want none of this action. Go get some money and feed your fam. This is a fucking disaster. Jay, we ain't starting for 1,000 nights. Living like we trying to die tonight. Got 40 cent like dynamite. I was fucking up my car money. Selling soap like it's China white. OG said you fucking a block up. I was mad, I was trying to fight. Nigga, we home. Mommy at work, daddy he dead. Nigga, we home. Stomach growling like an AMG, going to bed, we home. Uzi on me, all my friends are dead. Nigga, we home. Reporting live from the other side of America.
I always dreamed to have been like on like CNN and being able to express myself.
I'm where the AKs is, we like the baby kids. Ain't ever daddy, I listen to suckers the same way that Ray did. I'm telling Snippets and HKs, and I just was a grade A kid. Ain't on no guy, and we grew up with hitters and did everything they said. Point out the block, we spinning that. Running the spot, we getting that. Give us some work, we flipping that. I'm hitting from jail, ain't hitting back. I need a lawyer, money for commissary, ain't nobody ain't sending that. I'm in my cell, like when I get out, I'm making a movie, no Cinemax. Woo, yeah. Back home and I'm fresh on bell. Phone chirping, it was next to tell. Block popping, it was extra cell. Big dog, they ain't showing remorse. I was begging just to catch a cell. Same block, we was going to war. I was praying I ain't catch a shell. Hey, we ain't starting for 1,000 nights. Living like we trying to die tonight. Got 40 cent like dynamite. I was fucking up my car money. Selling soap like it's China white. OG said you fucking a block up. I was mad, I was trying to fight. Nigga, we home. Mommy at work, daddy